Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Canva slides look more dynamic and professional with smooth, eye-catching transitions, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a morph transition in Canva even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring your slides to life with stunning animations that'll wow your audience, whether you're creating a school project, a work presentation, or even content for social media. Alright, let's get started. I already have a Canva slide set up with a background, an image, and some text. If you're following along, you can use any image and any text you like. That's the beauty of Canva, it's super flexible. The next step is to add some movement to these elements so things don't look stiff or static. First, find the picture on your slide, click on it to select it. Once you've got it highlighted, look up at the top menu and click on Animate. This is where the fun begins. Out of all the animation options, I recommend choosing Rise. When you click Rise, you'll notice how your image now looks as though it's gently coming up onto the slide instead of just popping in abruptly. This little bit of motion adds energy and a professional feel. Think of it as the digital equivalent of someone slowly revealing a photo from beneath a stack, rather than just tossing it on the table. Next, let's add a bit of flair to the text as well. Click on your text, it might say Coliseum or whatever your theme is. Just like we did before, head up to Animate at the top, and for this, pick Shift. The Shift animation gives your text a smooth sliding movement, almost like it's gliding into place. This helps your key message catch the viewer's eye and keeps everything looking clean and modern. Now to create that morph effect, we'll actually need two slides, so let's make a copy. Click on your slide in the thumbnails sidebar, hold down the Alt key or Option on Mac, and simply drag the slide to the right. This duplicates it super quick and easy. If you don't see the duplication right away, give it another shot. It's all about that click and drag with the Alt key held down. On this new second slide, let's change things up to create the morph illusion. Make your picture smaller by clicking and dragging a corner. Reposition it if you like so it looks like it's moving to a new spot. Now let's add a second bit of text, maybe a new fact or heading, drag it where you want, and give it its own animation just like before. This step really helps build the transition effect. Here comes the magic moment, the morph transition. Click in the space right between your two slides in the timeline or grid view. Depending on your Canva version, there may be a tiny plus sign or transition button there. Click it, and from the Transitions menu, choose Morph. What this does is, instead of snapping straight from one slide to the next, Canva will intelligently animate the movement and changes between your slides. It's seamless, like watching objects flow from one scene to another in a movie. If you don't see Morph, look for similar transitions like Match and Move. There you have it. When you preview your slides, you'll see your image and text gently animate and morph, creating a beautiful, connected flow. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get everything positioned just right. Play around with sizes, placements, and animation speeds until it feels right to you. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button, and if you have any questions or get stuck on any step, just drop a comment below. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll catch all my future Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.